We understand that your wireless sensor system is there to make your processes more reliable and require less maintenance. And your wireless sensor system shouldn't add to that. And for that reason, we've added some really unique features to the Leap wireless sensor system. First of all, we understand that wireless sensors are often deployed in places where a wired sensor isn't. That includes things that move, embedded inside of something, and things that are high temperature. And the Leap sensor system has features that make sensors reliable in those harsh and challenging environments. We also don't want our Leap sensor system to add more maintenance tasks to your preventive maintenance system. And for that reason, most of our Leap sensors have batteries that will last over 5 years. That's why we call them practically battery-free. The Leap sensor system has other features that make it highly reliable in very harsh and challenging environments. One of the most unique features is the Leap sensor is rated to operate at -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. To our knowledge, no other wireless sensor system will operate up to that high temperature. And in many industrial processes, that's what's needed to get the job done, and only the Leap sensor system can do it. In terms of data reliability over the air, the Leap sensor system uses a protocol called Direct Sequence Spread Spectrum, or DSSS. That's a method of sending data over the air in a manner that makes it highly reliable, even when there's a lot of other radio interference in the area, which can be common inside of an industrial plant. Other unique features that we offer is, for example, our motor monitor sensor is in an IP67 enclosure, and even the antenna is inside the enclosure, so that there's very few penetrations through the enclosure and makes the sensor totally encased and sealed. Another really unique feature that the Leap sensor systems do is the ability to update the firmware over the air. So the gateway can send new firmware to a sensor which can update it or even add new features to what that sensor can do. To learn more, contact us and we'll be happy to answer your questions.